So we got a little bit different of a project going on today. We got some construction here in the shop. So we're going to be building an entire upstairs on the front half of the shop here. It's going to be just a whole nother level, stairs going up. And so basically we got a frame in the walls so that way it can support that second level. And so today we're going to start tearing into these walls. And so we got a little bit of lumber here. The rest of it's showing up pretty soon. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of this project. I'm not gonna go in depth and all of this, gonna do some time lapses and hopefully you enjoy. Alright, update guys, we are a few days into this project. So we've got one corner of the shop done over here. We ended up moving the air compressor and the oven to this corner. Got that rewired and insulated. And coming over here, we have 3 of the walls done. And then we tore out a few more over here. We're just building another wall here. We also had to do a little concrete work here as a footing. And once we've got these walls done, then we just gotta do this one and we're pretty much there. We're also gonna build a grinding and painting room in the corner over here. So right about here is where the grinding and painting room is gonna go. And obviously we got the fan to ventilate all that crap out. So we're gonna build some more walls and then I'll update you guys a little later. So we're able to make a lot of progress over the last few days. We've got basically all of the exterior walls up and secured. It goes all the way across the front and this way over here. Let's go over in the corner. So this area over here, which is kind of the business area, the office, is gonna be turned into a bedroom. And so we've got a big window we're gonna be putting in and got a little hole for a AC unit. And then what we're working on today, right over here. So basically starting from here all the way to the front wall, we're gonna be putting a wall right here. So basically continuing this wall. So it's gonna be basically splitting the entire shop in half. We're gonna have all shop space and that will be our bedroom. And then we will have the upstairs. So what we gotta do right now is frame up this last wall. It's gonna be a big boy. And we'll see if we can get this thing up in place just with Nick and I.
wall.
Holy crap. I didn't expect it to go that early.
Fuck that
Or that
wall.
easy.
That early?
Like, yeah, I was...
Oh,
man.
man. We're beasts.
Dude, I didn't think that was gonna go up. Like, when I tried it, I'm like, there's no way.
We just both decided, like, we made that unconscious decision just to fucking send it.
Dude, we didn't even say anything. We're just like, okay, we're going.
We've got this room framed in over here. That'll be the grinding room. We're gonna call that the dirty room. And then we've got all of the exterior walls up, the center wall up. That thing was a beast to try to lift up with two people, but we ended up getting it. So at this point, we just need to start dragging I-joists in and putting them up. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna find a way. So we've got a little thing going on here. We decided to cut the truss for a doorway, so we've got it all reinforced here. Probably beefier than it needs to be. Got it all engineered out, redneck engineering, but should work. But now it's time to cut the truss, so we'll see if the building holds together. Whoa. Can you put glasses on, Nick? I need you to protect me, because I have glasses, but I need you to protect me from the sawdust in case something gets in my eye. So go grab a pair of glasses. I don't know where they're at, but yeah, you gotta do your part, you know.
Damn it, dude.
The last little inch here. We'll see what happens. Whew. Look at that. There's one half. It's got the other half. That's kind of nerve-wracking. To give you guys some context, we're up here in the rafters basically. These are obviously the trusses, but this is all the second floor. And so, yeah, these trusses were right in the way. You know, they're 3 feet higher than the floor height. So we ended up beefing them up pretty good and Looks like it'll hold up. Well, that's it. I think it's gonna work though. Actually, I know it's gonna work. This is way over engineered. This is always sketchy cutting a truss though. What did I just do? Can't believe this is a door frame now. This is gonna be so weird walking through what used to be a truss. It's pretty sweet though. Just kidding, this is actually a pull-up bar. Love you. It's working out. Alright guys, we've made a ton of progress and this is going to be our stopping point here. We basically got all of the exterior walls in, the interior wall over here, the upstairs, at least the I-joist there. We don't have the flooring in quite yet, but that's going to be our stopping point. I'd say that was about 3 weeks worth of work. There was a lot of things I had to redo. I've never really done this stuff before, so it's been a lot of learning and actually a lot of fun. Nick and I have basically done everything from start to finish. Had a little help with the engineering side of things, but as far as pounding the nails and putting things together, Nick and I have handled it, and it's been a blast. So I want you guys to tune into the next one. We're going to be building a set of stairs and starting to work on the upstairs, getting some flooring in there, maybe framing some walls and getting some lights going. So I will see you guys there. Thanks for watching.